Oh.
Is that Ava?
Keep it there. It might be a double. Don't open it yet, because I don't know. It's in the trunk. Huh? Not sure. Where'd you get that? Oh.
Don't lose that.
Because we got it from Costco. The double one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I don't think it's the same. Might be, but I don't think so.
Do you want it? You can return it if you want it. Oh, you didn't.
Good.
No, I want it.
No, but they might have the same one.
I know.
No, I got. We got a different one. Daddy, we got a
Well, then put it on the table. So mommy doesn't have to put it on the table.
Can I feel that? Nice.
This one.
Is that? Where'd you get that?
From Lani.
Oh, I'm gonna share with AJ. Good girl. Oh, man, I don't want to use that.
But your mom's is so thick. You're at 13.
She's not here. Mom is not here.
I know. I love doing that.
It's
Awesome.
The size of
You don't
it.
like it?
Yes, yes it is.
Alright.
8 hours to blow it up. Yeah. His whole face.
You know there's a cover.
I got high on downstairs.
You found me.
Oh man, that was fun. Oh, it felt like it should be 2 hours. How was that feeling? Head rush. Yeah. Like Disney's head rush. But I was like, oh, I keep going. Sorry, buddy. You might have gotten
What's that? Where'd you get that, Aliyah? Who gave that to you, Aliyah? Really? Where? Did you get that? States? Huh?
Sana naman ay iyong maalala. Nawa'y Pasko rin ang makilala kita. Ang Pasko'y kulang ngayong oragan. Tanging hiling ko'y
Nice. Likes it.
Okay, sip now.
bakit kailangan mawalay pa?
Just 8 seconds.
Iba't ba
He's in round.
Is that why you gave it to Jared?
ang pagsuyo naghihintay
My God. There was a story. One of my friends bought his wife a driver.
sa Pasko sa
Wrong driver. This up. They watched. Depressed. Guys,
tanging hiling ko'y kang
I don't need battery in it.
bakit kailangan
Wait. I'll open up my computer. And I got Charlie. I had to walk through the mall with this all by myself. Hey, hold on a second. We didn't do
And you
it.
have to clarify.
No, I knew it, so I did the rating.
ulat pa rin ang
Like we
suyo naghihintay pag-ibig ng pag-ibig sa Pasko sa nahihiling ko'y muli kang makita. Bakit kailangan na magwalay pa? Ating ulitin tamis ng mga nagdaan. Di ba't Pasko ay
Where's your money?
pagmamahalan? Di ba't Pasko ay pagmamahalan?
Jared, that's Jared. Where's yours?
Nooy Pasko
Okay, how much?
rin nang tayo'y magmahalan. Nooy Pasko
Give you that.
Yeah, you will find out. You have a wallet. Where's your $100? Okay, so you have 120.
Pasko'y dumarating, ngunit laging mga
I like that.
sulat. May kasamang Christmas card ang dumadating sa akin. Pasko, sana ang puso mo ang siyang makakapiling ko, kapiling sa bawat sandali kung hindi man Pasko. Ang kailangan ko ikaw, di ang ano pa man.
I'll sit there.
Aanhin ko ang lahat-lahat kung sa pag-ibig na may laging salat. Hindi sulat at Christmas card, inaasam ko ngayong Pasko, kundi ang pag-ibig mo o giliw ko. Sana ay mangyari kahit hindi Pasko. Oh, hindi sulat at Christmas card ang inaasam ko ngayong Pasko, kundi ang pag-ibig mo o giliw ko. Sana ay mangyari kahit hindi Pasko. Sana ay mangyari kahit hindi Pasko. Kahit hindi
I need stuff that are on my wish list.
Thing here, okay? Heel, not too high. It's about this.
Where's your money?
What happened to my arm?
Then you have to find your
All my
Oh, that's why I got
ikaw pa rin ang laging alaala.
Where the heck did they get the book?
Di nawawala sa isip ko. Sasapit ang Pasko, bakit wala ka? Bakit di kita makikita? Paano ang Pasko aking